Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sum concept. And now we are discussing for the number and value concept. Now, let's look at this question. This question here says that Albert used 3 keys to keep his 50-cent coin, 20-cent coins, and 10-cent coins. So now I know that I have 50-cent coin. I know I have 20-cent coin. I know I have 10-cent coin. And I know that it will be total up later on. That's why here says what continue says that 166 coins all together in 3 canes. So I know they have 166 here. However, here started saying what he spent 2 over 5 of his 50-cent coins in. Means that at first I have a value. I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I have at first. But there's an action here, or the changes here is I spent 2 units. So I know that at the end, I only have 3 units left. Okay, this is what happened. And his mother gave him 18 20-cent coins. Means that I have a certain amount here, and the mother gave 18. So now I have a certain amount plus 18. Oh, that's a good. And some 10-cent coins. So I know I have some here, and I added some, and I have more. Okay. As a result, the number of 10-cent coins in his collection triples in number. Now, although they didn't give us what's the value here, but let me just erase here, because I know that it will actually 3 times of it triple up. So here will be 3 times of the original value. And let's look at here. Here says what? As a result and the ratio of the 50-cent coins to the 20-cent coins to the 10-cent coins became 1 to 4 to 6. Means that now actually we are given the ratio. Here is 1, here is 4, here is 6. Okay? Now, 3 unit here give us 1. So let's try to make it easier. We times 3 here, we times 3 here, we times 3 here. Or it might not be that easier. So let me just remove it. All we do is, we know that this 3 unit is equal to 1. So I know 1. So I know that 5 unit, which is what we have at first, it will be 5 over 3, right? So now I know this is 5 over 3. Here is 4 unit. I know previously should be 4 unit minus 18. Okay, let me just put the unit value here. And now here is given 6. When it's 3, it is 6. I know 1 is actually only 2. So I know here actually 5 over 3 unit plus 4 unit minus 18 plus 2 unit is equal to 166. This is interesting, right? Now, once we know this, let's try to add all the u together first. And this minus 18, let me just move it to this side to become 166 plus 18. So let's press our calculator. 5 over 3 plus 4 plus 2, which we know is actually equivalent to 23 over 2 unit. And 23 over 2 unit, I know is equivalent to 184. And now here, 23 over 2 unit is 184. So 1 unit will be equivalent to 184 times 2 divided, well, actually here should be 3, times 3 divided by 23. So with that, I know that 1 unit will be equivalent to 184 times 3 divided by 23, and that's 22. Now, what we know for this 1 unit is equal to 24 is actually representing here, here, and here. Since the question is asking for the total value of coins in the end, so we need to find out this 1 unit is equal to what? 4 unit is equal to how many? 6 unit is equal to what? Now, I know that 1 unit is equal to 24, so I can straight away write here 1 unit is 24. Means I have 24 50-cent coins. 4 times 24. Press on calculator, I know it's 96 coins. And we have 6 here, so 6 times with 24. I know I have actually 6 times 64. I have 6 times 24. I have 144 coins here. Now, just for information, what we are doing here is all about the quantity, okay, which is the number of coins. And we know that actually the value for each coin here is 50 cents. Here is 20 cents. And here is 10 cents. So we just need to times it. 24 times 50 cents. I know here is $12. So here is 96 times 20 cents. I know here it should be 96 times 20 cents. So here will be $19.20. And here, 144 times 0.10, it will be $14.40. And now they are asking for the total values. So we need to add all of this. We need to add all of this. 12, 19.20, 14.40. So we need to add at the end 12 plus 19.20 plus 14.40. And our final answer here is $45.60. And we are finally done with this question. So this question, if you want to explain it, it is basically means that we are doing most of the action part on the quantity, then we do the value for each, then we find out the total value, then we add it up together. So it's not a usual number value question, okay? But we are doing more actions on the quantity side. However, it's actually interesting question, but it takes a while for us to solve it since there are some actions there. Okay, so that's all for this question. So I hope you learned something and they will help you more. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.